What's good, YouTube? I'm trying to teach myself I'm trying to get used to shifting in my own car. I don't know if y'all can see it on the dash. You know, my transmission, you know, this is not a neutral, or this is not a stick, but you see what I'm working with. I'm trying to teach myself how to drop a gear. Nothing too crazy. I'm learning slowly. I'm just seeing how this shit go right now. I mean, I'm fishbowling, people can see me, but it is what it is. ED, nigga. That's how I feel right now. I'm teaching myself though. It's going slowly. Like, look, damn, this light red. I'm not gonna do it here. Watch this. Look. I'm trying to teach myself, y'all, and it's not going too bad. You know, it's not going too bad. And it's like, it's all about timing. Like, if you're trying to learn, it's all about timing. You gotta know your miles per hour per gear. Like, I can slow down right here a little bit, just, you know, it's a bad idea, but .40 is my first. Like 45, that's where I can go to first, for sure. I'm learning though. That's what it's all about. Learning. I'm not doing nothing crazy though. I'm not like max I've been doing is 4 RPMs. 4,000 RPMs. If y'all understand that, 4 RPMs right there. That's the max I did. I haven't been nothing crazy. Nothing too crazy, man. Nothing too crazy. Good track hawk over there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but good track hawk over there. So look, I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna do it right here a little bit. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Leg it straight. Cruising though, it's nothing too crazy, it's nothing too vulgar. Like, I'm not, you know, them Hellcat niggas that take off crazy, but like, I'm chilling, gang. I'm chilling, gang. I'm fucked up a little bit, but dodge magnesium, nigga. We chilling though. Hold on. I wanna go a little faster. Hold on. Nothing too crazy. We like the car, like, we just cruising. We just cruising. Third gear? Damn. See, I don't know my second gear, so my second gear. But we're gonna end the video off here. This is just me trying to learn how to shift and shit, you know. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. I'm just trying to get used to driving my own car again, you know. I get used to it, nothing too crazy.